Alrighty, welcome back to Points Before Power. We got a 4-part series coming for you by request. It is to take a family to the most magical place on earth, Walt Disney World in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Before you get started, make sure you have not opened more than 3 cards in the past 24 months and your credit score is at 720 or better.
This is going to take 8 months to accomplish, earning of the points. You'll want to complete 6 months prior to the vacation, so that's just about a year's time from now you could be enjoying Disney for a fraction of the cost of paying cash out of pocket.
We are also going to make the assumption that this is for 2 parents and 2 kids. If you have half the individuals, just adjust accordingly. Also, we are going to assume that you spend at least $1,000 a month on credit cards. If you spend more, this could go faster.
But Mike, it probably should be noted, don't spend just to get points. Only buy things that you can afford, pay your bills on time.
Correct.
Okay, so this is going to be a follow the directions, step-by-step how-to guide. I'm not going to take time to explain the reasoning. I'm just going to get to the point. That was a pun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Southwest Rapid Rewards account. This is free. Simply go to southwest.com and where it says sign in, join, go ahead and join. Use the link below in the description to sign up for a Southwest Rapids Reward Card by Chase using our referral link. If you have a spouse, do not add them at sign up and have your Rapid Rewards account information handy. Thank me later.
Hey, Paul, from looking at the website, I see there are several cards to choose from. Which one would you recommend?
I recommend the Plus credit card. It's the only one that has a fee of $69 and it should get you the same sign-up bonus.
By now, Spouse 1 should have either received an email inviting them to send referral offers to others, or they could just access it when they log into Chase, and under the menu heading Just for You, there will be a referral link. Send that to Spouse 2, and Spouse 2 should repeat steps 1 and 2 using the referral link from Spouse 1.
Make certain you hit your spend limit. As of now, you get 3 months to spend $1,000. That shouldn't be a big challenge for most people out there. And remember, the $69 annual fee and any items returned to stores don't count toward that spend limit. And as always, read the fine print of your agreements.
By now, you should have made your spend limit on your first billing statement, which should show the sign-up bonus miles that Chase is going to deposit into your Southwest Rapid Rewards account on your behalf. This may take a few days to show up in the Rapid Rewards account after you pay your bill in full and on time. Also, by this time, Spouse 2 should have received their shiny new Southwest credit card, and you can start working toward that card's spending bonus.
Spouse number 2 should have made the spend limit and paid the card off by now. Spouse number 1 should have a minimum 50,000 points in their Rapid Rewards account. 40,000 would come from their sign-up bonus and another additional 10,000 points from the referral bonus they earned on sending it to spouse number 2. Spouse number 2 should have at least 40,000 points in their Rapid Rewards account.
This is where you decide if you want to keep the card and pay the annual fee or cancel it.
Next episode, Disney Part 2, we're going to run through similar steps on how to score your hotel points for your Disney trip. Part 3 will be booking your lodging, and Part 4 will show you how to book your flight. Now, it should be said that these episodes are going to have some overlap in the step-by-step process. So ideally, you'd watch all the videos before you started.
Just one thing I want to mention, talking about all this traveling. A couple years ago, my wife and I did a week-long road trip around England. So this meant we had to pack up things a lot, put it back in cars, take it out, all that fun stuff. And since at the time we didn't have any sort of airline card that got us free baggage, we carried on our luggage. And I just want to mention these packing cubes that we brought were very nice to have. They had different sets of bags for underwear or undergarments, for T-shirts, for pants, shoes, and then there's also a laundry bag that you could throw your dirty clothes into, and then your packing at the end of the trip was a lot easier. So something I would recommend for any time you travel, just makes your packing a lot more organized and it's easier to find things. There will be a link in the description below if you want to buy a set of these 6 packing cubes.
All right, great. Take care and see you next time.
Bye now.